From this video, you will be able to learn how to lock the menu button in the BRC1E63 wired controller. In default setting, main menu is able to be accessed by menu button. However, some application like hotel, classroom, or office owner doesn't want the menu setting to be accessible by public user. In order to hide the menu, you need to press Mode Selector button, Airflow Setting button, Cancel button, Right button, all together at once for 1 second. Let us try the setting slowly. Mode Selector button, Airflow Setting button, Cancel button, Right button, all together at once for 1 second. After the setting is done, a key icon will pop out when menu button is pressed. In order to unlock the menu button, just repeat the same steps. Now the menu button is accessible again. Thank you for watching.
Daikin